Welcome everyone in my channel. Today I show you how to replace TCT blade. This is my chop saw, my everyday workhorse. Work hard, but sometimes, time by time, I need replace blade. And I already share this experience with you guys. For this job, we need Allen key. What size? That's you need check everyone's separate. For my one, it's I think size number 8. Yeah, number 8. That is for this bolt and inner bolt as well. These bolts can be different sizes. That means probably you need a little bit slightly different Allen key. Always check when you buy a correct blade. All information about chop saw blade is always rated on blade. My one, it's a 14-inch 355 millimeters. Next important parameters that it's a inner bore size, because it's a couple of standards. This one is most popular. Smaller chop saws have a smaller diameter bore. And this is 66. That's enough wide standard. Some blades comes with more teeth. It's a blades for more finer cut. This one it's a optimum for rope and fine cut. It's absolutely good. Okay, first what we need to do, that it's be sure when chop saw it's unplugged. Please don't do something if it's plugged in. Safety first, place. Okay, let's go and start. First we need loosen this one of this bolt. On my case, as it's the top one, it's more handy. Okay, and we slide cover on one side. Next, what we need to do that it's a loosened central bolt. I show you one thing. If we start to loosen, we see we can do that because it spins around. On here, on opposite side, always comes some button-like pin which one pushes in and pushes out. We need push in and block spinning, and after that we can easily lose. Okay, and we can get out bolt. As you see, we get out bolt, spring washer and washer. Show you a bit closer. Okay, we don't lose that, important thing. And next one we need to take off this washer. And here it's important to remember how it stays. One it's outside, other side it's inside. Outside from inner side is slightly a bit different, how you see, yeah? And that's important. If you can't remember, we just take off, put on table, and after that remember we take and put down. On next one we open cover and slightly slide out blade. Okay, we take a new blade, and here we always need double check. Here on a blade it's marked arrows, how you see, arrows. It's 2 arrows, it should spin like that, not like that, it's like that. Same on chop saw cover, it's marked 1 more arrow. And if we put together, these arrows show one direction, not each on other side. We slide in, easy and careful. It goes enough tight. Okay, it sits very tight on the bore. We put a washer back. We take assembly bolt with spring washer and washer, and screw in with his hand. Okay, and we again need push this pin and block spinning, and we tighten, and it's enough. Next one, we put a cover back and tighten bolt. Okay, we slide down safety cover and job is done. Now we can take a wire and just plug in and check it. Okay, ready? Okay, how you see, easy job. Couple minutes and job done. Press like, subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. You can see a lot of other things, how do easy and how replace, how change, how fix it. And next what you can see that it's a lot of steel fabrication jobs, steel design, metal design, lot of interesting things, home design, elements, some technical things. Lot of I can show you. Subscribe and see you soon.